What's good, people? Once again, as always, it's your boy, the Black Hippie. Today is Tuesday. And you know what I just realized, or what I've been realizing, or just thinking about in my mind, and in my experience, and in my walk? That we got to understand that in order for revolution, or for change, or for anything to happen, we gotta get together. You know what I mean? But not do we only have to get together, we have to be mentally strong and physically strong. We can't fight a war if we're not in shape for it. We cannot defeat our enemies if we're not mentally strong and ready for it. They will walk and march for miles. If you look at our elders back when Martin Luther King was walking, when Malcolm X was walking, they were all in shape, they were fit, they weren't overweight. You know what I mean? Something has to be done in the manner in which that we stand up and are able to stand up and walk that mile. You know what I realized, that when our elders would walk and march that war, because it's about more than just, standing up for your rights. Sometimes it takes action, and hopefully there's nothing violent about that action, but not everybody's ready to really put in the work to do it. So if me myself can make a change in someone's life and in my community, in my everyday things that I'm going through, then I'm continuing to try to keep doing that. And it's just something that I kind of see for myself. The revolution has to be done, and it is being done, and we can't fear how people may look at us, what people may think, because everybody wants to talk about change. But so as always, it's your boy, the Black Hippie. Continue to still have a good week. It's Tuesday. Do your best. Be your best. Peace.